emangcwabeni.
Into ekukhutshwa ngetshova kuluntu lwaseSoweto emakhayeni athi bona nengumcelimngeni kwiintsapho ezininzi kule ngingqi njengoko uninzi lulwela ukugcina la makhaya.
"27 days ngiyangena la endlini.
Akinale hayi.
Ize itshintshwa nje i-title deed ibizwa ngegama lakhe lokho kwenzeke kanjani.
They are lying to a master to say, I'm the only sibling at Ekhaya.
I-justice system la eSouth Africa ayikho fair kwezinye izinto, ayikho fair.
Why these houses? Why can't you go somewhere and buy your own house?
Lona ngumbono oqhelekileyo apha eSoweto nothi this house is not for sale. Le hashtag ibhalwe ngamagama amakhulu kuninzi lwezindlu ezikhoyo apha ingakumbi kwezi zimagumbi mane. Ingaba yintoni unobangela walonto?
As community, that hashtag is a motto that we will use serious, and then we don't want
Kunyaka ophelileyo yayisisankxwe kumakhasi onxibelelwano ngombono abantu bawubona ukugxothwa kwale ngwevukazi inekhulu elinanye isidla amazimba.
Wena mula ujuwele na. Wena mula ujuwele.
Umakhulu Mosidi nohlala eZone 1 eMidlands eSoweto wayelixhoba lokukhutshwa ngendlovu iyangena kwikhaya elithi yena. Seleke izaba ngunyaka oko umakhulu waba lixhoba lwalomlo wezindlu ongumcelimngeni kulilokishi. Siye saqhakamishelana naye inkondekazi saba nodliwanondlebe nayo. Simfumene kweli khaya linakekela abantu sele bekhulile.
Hana ke beke la ka tu disipe ka palaka.
Wa itse gore ba go ntsheditse eng?
Bantedite mondlung yaka.
Kunanamhlanje lenkondekazi isenemibuzo ngokwenzekayo ngendlu yayo.
Ke rekisitse mo go mang? Gona ke rekisetsa ngina le bana.
A ke ga re na le gae gone yano ntlu ya gago ba itsege.
Ha ke na le hae. Kanto ha ke rate go itse. Mpeo ke aka. Ha ke rate go itse. Tsamfele sengthosa. Ke aka.
Ubenesicelo ke asibhekisa kulowo othengise indlu yakhe.
Afe motho wa ile tšhelete ya gagwe. Ntlo yaka.
Oku kubonakala kuyinto ekhulayo ngoba kaloku nakhona eOrlando East kwalapha eSoweto kunqandwa amanzi engena endlini.
La endlini niyaphuma sizongena thina. Sizoninika inotice ye7 days. Mina ngabuza ngathi kanjani? Nobhuti wathi mina ngikhulumile ngikhuluma ukuthi ngithi 7 days ngiyangena la endlini.
Bathi bangena ngamalungelo ayo in7 days.
Uthi uyithengile indlu.
Uthi uyithenge kubani?
Kusho ukuthi kuye le ntombazana negirlfriend le. Yeah.
Umama uFaith uthi eli khaya lithengiswa ngumuntu othi obeyinkosikazi kamfo wabo ongasekhoyo.
Hayi. Bengatshada ngubhuti wami bebathandana. Bebethandana.
Ukanti yena utata uZolile nongumkhulu wakamfi uClement uthi bona abanabo ubungqina bokubana esisibini sazimanya ngeqhina lomtshato.
Siyosothuka nathi. sathuka yazi saphelelwa ngamandla. Into evele nje ukubhubha kwakhe ukuza lo mntana athi utshadile azange siye kubo solobola asazi nokuthi ubani wafakaza ukuthi basayine ngetriki.
Watsho esithi yakhe yenzeka into esabumila bunje kweli khaya umfi uClement esaphila.
Lo munye woqala oweza wathi uClement umthengisele. Sathi thina siyazi zonke lento le. Asiyazi. Into nje naye namela yenze akaye kuClement. Ayobuza uClement ukuthi manje enze njani. Nothi thina singene ndawo asazi next.
Emva koko waye wanyamalala lo muntu. Umama uFaith uthi ke unqunguphele sesisenzo.
Ingiphatha kabuhlungu kakhulu. Bonke abantu ngabayazi ukuthi la kaMangwane bonke nomphakathi wonke uyazi. Usazi sonke lo mphakathi.
Sithetha nje olusapho luphila ubomi bentshontsho lokungazi ukubana aba bantu babakhupha kweli khaya bayawuphinde babuye nini na.
Angilali. Uthunga ngibazi. Angibazi uthunga.
Yintoni kwenza ungalali makho?
Thiyoyika. Uzawusikathumela abanye abantu silele. Thiyoyika ngisaba. Ungithusile phela labantu abafikela Sunday. Bangithusile. Sengazi ifunani indlu yakithi. Yo. Ngifile mntana ngifile. Into ebuhlungu yami yazi mangicinga nje ngivuke ekseni ngimala. Ngifike ngithatha isitulo ngihlalela ngamadolo angizazi ukuthi ngenzeni. Ngifuna labantu bangangeni endlini. Umthetho makubuya phambili sivele sihambe ngomthetho siphambili.
Nena thina lendlu asithengisa ngoba sikhulela lana kwagogo wethu inyanya zethu zilana. Masifuna ukwenza something sinxenxeza la kulendlu. So ukuthi indlu sayithengisa zange sithengise khona abazukulu abantwana bethu nabantwana babantwana bethu. So kumele ukuthi bahlale la bazi ukuthi nekukakhokho wabo.
Nokulwisana nesisenzo uluntu lwalwapha luye lungenelele.
If rona as community resatswe, it means le rona it will happen to us. It doesn't mean it etsagala mo ntlo e le rona e ka setse. We need to stand together and be united and fight this thing, this sickness ya gore dintlo di dule di rekisiwa.
Bazakutshela ukuthi ubani walapho uyithengisile and when mawubona indlu yakhona akusabantu abangenele bakuthi bangathengisa indlu because they all need that house. If they sell the house bazohlala phi?
Njengoko kunjalo kolusapho lwalwapha eDube nelithola ngokuthi lakhutshwa njengomsholuku kwikhaya bebelikade behlala kulo nomakhulu wabo.
Ngazalwa lapha e711. Ngizangaze ngakhula ngaba ngihlala khona. 2018 ida siyasikhipha siyasiphuma vele sisihamba sirasijardini sahlala khona.
uThulani ke uthi lento yenziwa ngumuntu abamazi njengomakhelwane wabo.
Ahlukumeza lo mama lasitsha ukuthi kwakhe lapha ekhaya ugogo umnike indlu. Yena indlu kanjani? Bathi mina personal wangitshela straight ukuthi ngumntwana omncane ngiyakhuluma next nami.
That time lento yenzakala besingakabi knowledge kahle because besingazi ukuthi kumele senzeni sithatheni ihlanganise nani.
Upuleng nongusisi kaThulani uthi baye bacetyiswa ngabantu apha ekuhlaleni ukuba bayofuna lento kuthiwa yi-letter of authority.
Thila batshela khona ukuthi kunomuntu ozile wazoyithatha. Then mama wathi makababuza ukuthi uyithatha kanjani i-letter of authority because of uyo oyi-applyele.
Nto leyo ekhokhele kubeni uluntu lungayithembi lenkqubo.
The system, the government system, it's flawed. Yonke, it's flawed because umuntu angazalwa la ekhaya uyahamba yothola i-letter of authority. After letter of authority goes to Masters of High Court, obtain a title deed.
There's no verification eyenziwayo e-masters. Mawufika uzofuna i-letter of authority, you are given. Akuna verification eyenziwayo to check ukuthi ama-documents ophethe ukuthi a-authentic kangakanani.
I-justice system la eSouth Africa ayikho fair kwizingozi, ayikho fair. Leza zange basinikeze thina i-chance ukuthi singene estandini sizikhulumele the way thina sazi story ngakhona kwavunyelwa lo mama lo ukhuluma-ke uyakhulumayo e-court until i-case ethu ize bathi sigwetshiweni sagedwa basithatha at that time basithatha basifake emaselini basifake emaselini.
Kunanamhlanje usathunakala xa kuthethwa ngalomba.
Uma washona alohalela lendlu le and nakhona asingeke sathi ubulawa ukugula or yini ubulawa lesimo salendlu yasasestrategi.
Nto leyo ekhokhele kubeni behamba behlala.
Sesabantu ngathi base-itradini asinalo ikhaya.
Mawuthi thulane seningabantwana abahamba behlala bahamba ningathi senihlala esitratweni uchaza ukuthini?
Mawungathi uthando lasekhaya lufana nokwelinye itsharity. Lo thando bengilithola ekhaya ngilithola kumama. Ake liphinde lifana nomunye umuntu. Kunzima ukubona abanye abantwana basemakubo bahleli nabazali babo baphelele kumndeni. Ngazi nami ukuthi nginawo wami umndeni kodwa ngikwazi ukuhlala. Ngikwazi ukubana ngento yenziwa umuntu. Ubuhlungu kakhulu.
Tana yithi sesibonana ngaleso sikhathi uhlala le ngihlala le but ukuthi nje asilahlananga.
Eli likhaya esisibini lazalelwa kulo kodwa sithetha nje likhala ibhungane.
Isifiso sami esikhulu leso ubuyele ekhaya. Ngihluleka nokudlula ekhaya ngoba abasifuni ukuthi sidlule nakhona. So kimi kunzima kakhulu.
Njalo masidlula lapha inhliziyo ziba buhlungu vele. Ngeke ihlale ngabe buhlungu.
Umama uMaki Modise nongumhlali wase-Orlando West nonoke upulenge indawo yokufihla inhloko uthi yinhlungu into yesisibini.
They know about this case. Abantu they don't want to help these kids. And bayazi ukuthi lendlu le yakabothulani. Uthulani ke wathola umsebenzi nyana i-part time bathi emabhalu store. Ahola imali encane abhadala amaloya 1000 every month ukuthi amsize ngale case. Bayamsiza for 6 months bathatha imali after that bayiyeka bathi yabahlungu laba. And mina I don't know what to do now.
Ukanti ezolathu usapho lakwaThwala lona labanjelwa lento kuthiwa yi-trespassing gabula makhumsha ekhayeni abahlali kulo oko bazalwa.
Kwafika amaphoyisa ebusuku basibopha besiyifola phana endlini kusho ukuthi kuba yini nabantwana abayi2 babafana and then bese kuba untombazane lamamina. Kwafika amaphoyisa ke asibopha bathi se-trespass ngoba lendlu lena ithengiwe indlu kaMhlungu.
Nto leyo eyashiya uIsabel nosapho lwakhe bebambe ongasezantsi.
Kusekhaya lapha kodwa yithi ama-criminal yithi abantu esaboshwa salala 3 days. 3 days ejele into engakaze ngayicabanga ukuthi zoke ingenzakalele one day kodwa saphenduka ama-criminal endlini kagogo wethu.
Baye bayakuvela phambi komanki.
Ikhotha zange ayisivumelanga ukuthi sibuyele endlini. Ithe kithi singathatha nje lokho esingakhona ukuthatha okufana nokwempahla zokugqoka and then akufuneka ukuthi sibonakale lapha until ilontuzana icala leli lize liphele.
Into lusapho lungayaziyo yeyokubana lendlu yayiyathengiswa ngumalume kaIsabel nongasekhoyo kweli ze lo mfihlo leyo wayongena nayo encwabeni. Kumaxwebhu esinawo aphuma e-deeds office asibonisa ukubana elikhaya ngo-1991 laliphansi komasipala wase-City of Johannesburg. Ze ngo-2004 elikhaya labhaliswa phansi kwegama likaSolomon. Ngo-2005 uSolomon waye walithengisa eli khaya nge-80,000 randi. Ze umthengi wathatha ibondi 186,000 neStandard Bank waye wohluleka ukubhatala lo vimba imali yayo. Ngo-2015 lo vimba waye wanikwa imvume yokulithengisa eli khaya kwi-auction. Ngo-2016 le ndlu yaye yathengwa ngomnye umthengi ngemali engange-24,000 randi. Ze yena lo mthengi wayithengisa le ndlu nge-250,000 randi.
Itshintshwa nje i-title deed ibizwa ngegama lakhe lokho kwenzeke kanjani. Yizi izinto esifuna ukuzazi lezi ukuthi zenzakala kanjani.
Ukanti umusi nongumkhokheli woluntu apha eZola uthi namalunga entsapho ayabandakanyeka kule nyewe.
Most of them, when they go and obtain documents, masters, they are lying to a master to say, I'm the only sibling at ekhaya.
Umbuzo ke ngokubana yintoni eyenza abantu bathenge lamakhaya.
They are targeting ama-forums awala eZola precisely because they want to make a business, not because they want to come and stay there.
Ukanti umakazi wentuli nongumongameli weofisi yetayitile zezindlu apha eGauteng uthi ayingomsebenzi weofisi yabo ukulungisa ezimpepha.
Because i-conveyancer in terms of i-Deeds Registries Act is responsible for the correctness and accuracy of information ekuleyo ma-title deed, and then they will come and lodge a deeds office after the registered owner, depending how the reason for a transfer your property. If it's a state institution, then that particular state institution will appoint conveyancers who will be drafting documents and all that and transfer a property to the rightful owners.
Ingaba yintoni enothi yenziwe xa itayitile yendlu ibhaliswe ngelo lunga elithile lelo sapho?
There's two options. If ifamily ingakhona ukuthi ihlangane discuss ukuthi this is a family home, we are all aware of that, but then the title deed is segameni lomuntu one, and then the one who title deed can transfer other shares to other family members so that all of them they can be in the title deed. Because now remember, the state has already transferred the property to Lo Oiwan. So Lo Oiwan Uye Manje, because he's now the registered owner, can transfer a property to other family members so that that property can be now registered to all the family members. But then if ever there is no agreement, there's a dispute, then they can lodge a court application. Now, they've got two options with application prayers. It can either apply to court, ukuthi cancel the title deed, it revert back to a Gauteng province or whatever province or municipality, and then beseke property transfer to all the siblings. But remember, it also depends nakon, because most of these houses is a permit. The right holders have already passed on, so they are beneficiaries. So it depends who was there a will. The registered owner began a will, because if there was a will out of my 6 children, I want my property to go to my last born only. We cannot now change a will to say because by 6 they have to. So it depends what the deceased began a will or began a will.
Ukanti uluntu lona luthi lukhona unyawo lwemfene kulento yezizindlu.
Undonakele usemasters, because angithi if ukuthi umuntu umnikazi wendlu is deceased, the first office oya kuyo ukuthi uzokwazi ukuchange i-ownership and all those things ise-masters. So i-masters ila yonke le mfishi yenzeka khona, and I want to put it bluntly ukuthi i-corruption yezindlu zase-Orlando in particular iqala e-masters, and there's no verification eyenziwayo e-masters. Mawufika uzofuna i-letter of authority, you are given akuna verification eyenziwayo to check ukuthi ama-documents ophethe ukuthi are authentic kangakanani.
Ngokufuna ukwazi ukubana yintoni le letter of authority abahlali balapha abakhala ngayo, siye sadlana indlebe noTshepiso Mafunza nosebenzela isebe lezobulungiswa.
When we give you the letters of authority, you have authority to act on behalf of the deceased, and that also includes the sale of that immovable property. So in those cases, if you have sold the property because you have the letters of authority, and maybe you did not consult the other siblings, and now the other siblings, they are aggrieved to say, why did he sell the property and my father without consulting us, or whatever the case is. Unfortunately, the master's office, your complaint is valid. We can hear it completely. However, we are a wrong platform. We don't have solutions for you.
Uye wacebisa noluntu wenjenje.
If it's possible under any circumstances that if you are 7 siblings, when you are applying for the letters of authority, unless you know for a fact that you don't care of what happens to that immovable property, whatever the case is, if you think at some point in your life you will want to be consulted and relationships will never sour between you and your siblings, ensure that your name is on that letters of authority. Because when your name is on that letters of authority, the other party cannot act without you being present.
Ukanti uEunice Masipa nongumongameli we-Law Society of South Africa uthi yena enye into enganceda nezisimo kubana abantu babhale i-will.
You have the opportunity to decide whom of your beneficiaries will be able to inherit your assets. And your assets can include your personal belongings, your investments, your properties, or any other thing that you deem valuable to yourself. Now, also in a will, you are able to nominate a guardian for your minor children, because I think it would be unfortunate that in the event of your death that your minor children are placed with a person who you would not have preferred to be the guardian of your minor children, because that person will be in a position to make important decisions for your minor children. Now you are also able, or you have an opportunity to nominate or select an executor of your choice. Now, an executor is an individual who is responsible to ensure that your estate is administered according to your special instructions.
Umbuzo ke ngokubana abantu bangayaphi xa befuna uncedo lokubhalelwa le ncwadi.
Your first prize is getting an attorney to draft a will for you, mainly because an attorney is a legal expert and a will is a legal document. So an attorney will be able to identify any issues that may arise with your will or any issues that may render your will invalid. So I would say that you must get a qualified legal practitioner to draft a will for you.
Kule veki uMzantsi Afrika kwilizwe lonke ubhiyozela lento kuthiwa yi-Wills Week ngolwasemzini, nalapho uluntu lunikwa ithuba lokubhalelwa i-will mahala.
They can go to our website, the Law Society of South Africa's website, which is www.lssa.org.za. I believe there will be a tab there that will direct them to Wills Week. And then there will be a list of all participating practitioners in the specific province, in the specific towns. And then individuals are then encouraged to make contact with those practitioners, arrange for consultation, and they will get assistance from them. The fortunate part about it is that you have an opportunity to get the will done in a language of your choice.
Inkosi yenkundla ephakamileyo ithi ayikwazi ukunceda uluntu olunezindlu ezisele zithengisiwe, ngoko uluntu ufanele lubhenele kwinkundla ephakamileyo nalapho bayofaka khona ingxabano zabo.